Have you ever used AI and got terrible results? But someone using the same AI got amazing results. So, what's the difference? It's something called prompt engineering. But what is it? I will explain you today. Let's start. Hey there, this is Darsh again, trying to learn and explain prompt code engineering to you. So let's start. Introduction to prompt engineering. Why AI fails? The example I gave you at the starting of the video. Many users encounter issues with AI responses due to vague prompts without clear context or specific goals. AI struggles to provide accurate information, leading to generic, incomplete, or irrelevant answers that do not meet user expectations. Okay, so you want something, but you can't explain AI what do you want. So AI won't be able to generate it. AI won't be able to generate your desired outcomes. So for that, you have to tell AI better. You have to tell AI what you want properly. Moving on, what is prompt engineering? Okay, the term I used earlier also. Prompt engineering is the practice of designing precise instructions for AI systems by specifying roles, tasks, contexts, and formats. Users can guide AI responses effectively, ensuring they are accurate and relevant to the desired outcome. Okay, it is designing precise instructions. It is telling AI what you want. Like, I want to buy a cake, but I can't convey to the shopkeeper the design I want. I tell him that I want a green cake, but I don't explain him how green, which color, or what is the design. He just prepares a cake with green color as the cream. So, I didn't get my desired outcome because I was not able to convey it properly. So, conveying your request or your outcome or what you want to the AI is prompt engineering. It's like prompting or telling AI. Easy, easy enough, I think. Moving forward, why it matters. Prompt engineering is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of AI systems. By crafting well defined prompts, users can achieve higher quality responses, enhance productivity, and save time. This skill is increasingly valuable across various professional fields and applications. Okay, from from better prompt engineering, you will be able to achieve higher quality responses, good results, desired outcomes, enhance the productivity, and save time. How save time? Because if you want something, AI is not able to generate, you tell it again. AI is wrong again. It happens over time. But if you are able to convey it properly, the AI will be able to generate in one or two times. So it will help in saving time, higher quality responses. You will get what you want. You will directly come to your desired outcomes. And it also enhances productivity by increasing the quality of the response. Core elements of effective prompts. Role. Define the AI's role for better context. Okay, you tell AI what is its role, what it has to do, who is it acting as. It's basically telling AI what it is, who is it is playing right now. Okay, so next is task. Clearly state what you want the AI to do, the task you want to give to AI, the task you want to get done, the outcome you want. It's not basically the outcome, but like the role should be, you should act as an engineer, as an architect, as a web developer. And the task for a web developer should be, you should generate an website or a web page for my business, and you just, that's task it has to generate. And coming to context, provide background information for improved responses. Okay, now you tell it what is the role of the website it is going to build, what it has to do. Now you tell it that you are a web developer, you have to generate a website for my business, and I am a business owner. You may give your age or your details and your business details, the what your business does and everything like that. The context, what or what you want or who you are. It's basically like that. So RTC, these are the three important parts of prompt engineering. Moving forward, guys, bad versus good prompts. Understanding prompt clarity and effectiveness. Okay, now coming to bad prompts. A vague prompt like write about productivity. Simple, just three words. Write about productivity. Leaves too much open to interpretation, resulting in generic responses that do not meet the user's specific need. Okay, you don't specify what you want. You just tell it that write about productivity. What kind of productivity? How productive? What is the age group? And you leave it open. You leave it open to every category of productivity. You have to build a world. You have to learn world building. What is world building? You have to give puzzle pieces of a world, or you have to tell more information, more pieces of the world. I'm telling world because imagine it as a story. Okay, like you, any story you can take. Like you live in a forest. Just you give that I live in a forest. What which animals are likely to come to me? So it may give any wild animal, any. But if you tell it that I live in a forest, which has very less number of wild animals, but has elephants in more amount. So now you ask it, what are the animals coming to me? It will obviously give elephant at first number because you tell it more about it. Telling more is good. Good prompt. A good prompt is a well crafted prompt, such as act as a productivity coach, write 5 practical productivity tips for college students, provides a clear guidance enabling the AI to generate relevant and actionable responses. So, you give it the role of AI. RTC, we studied about it. So, role of AI is productivity coach. Task it, practical productivity tips, and context is college students, like description. So now you give more about it, not simply productivity. 5 practical productivity tips as a productivity coach for college students. This is very important. This is now you give what you exactly want. Like you're building worlds. You're totally collecting pieces and joining it together to give it to AI. Okay, guys, moving forward. Step by step prompting guide. Define the goal. Okay, define the task or goal. Clearly articulate the desired outcome, ensuring that AI understands the specific purpose of the prompt. Now, if you yourself is confused, then how will you be able to tell AI what you want? You have to define, set a goal, set a vision, what you want, what you want to get, what is a desired outcome. That is defining goal. Assign a role. Direct the AI to adapt a specific persona or expertise to tailor the response appropriately for your needs. Like you assign a role to AI. You tell AI that you have to act as this, act as it, act as this person. You even can give names, describe the task, provide detailed instructions about the expected actions, contexts, any relevant background information to guide clarity. Okay, you describe more about it. Like in previous example, we saw that act as a productivity coach. Give me 5 practical productivity tips. Now for college student was describing the task. How? For whom? If you didn't give for college student, it would give for anyone. Like it would work for anyone, or it was like common productivity tip. But now you gave for college students. Now it's specifically for college students. Okay, guys, moving forward, live demo prompts. Okay, from here on, I will show you how a good prompt looks and how a bad prompt looks. Okay, so here we are on ChatGPT. Okay, now I will be giving a bad prompt. Okay, like uh, from any category we can take. I'm just telling it. Tell. Okay, in this prompt, I have not specified my category, AI's role, or anything, or date, or any context. Now it is giving me world news, India news, sport news, other updates. Now here I go with a better prompt. We may use this dictate option because instead of writing lines and lines of prompts, it will be easier for you to speak to AI. Okay, starting. You have to act as a news reporter and tell me the current news on the topic AI and tech. It's basically telling me more about AI and tech, what's happening in that world, and everything about it. Now give this. Let's give this prompt. Okay, it's recorded this also. Uploading this prompt, searching the web. It specifically tells me AI news, what I wanted. AI is becoming government level technology. Okay, I'm not dictating news because it is not. Back again, guys. Moving forward, common mistakes, errors in prompt engineering. Users often struggle with vague prompts, lack of context, and unclear formats, leading to ineffective results. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly enhance AI interactions. Okay, like users give vague prompts, they have lack of context, they like are not able to describe what they want, and unclear format, they are not able to format the prompt properly, like giving the role, then giving the task, then giving the context, then first deciding the goal, everything like in a series, they're not able to do that. Moving forward, future of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering will not only help us to communicate with AI, it will also help us enhance our communication and creativity skill. It will be useful in many sectors, like if you are a creator or a content creator, it will be easier for you to convey to the audience what they want. And if you are a writer, your creativity will enhance, you will be able to give better prompts, and giving better prompts will indirectly result in better results, effective results. It is all indirectly connected. Okay, moving forward. Thank you, guys. So from today onwards, try using prompt engine, using AI better by being good at prompt engineering. And if you all want second part, please comment prompt in the comment section. Thank you.